This won't hurt, little buddy. Oh hey! Yate, hello, and welcome to Daybreak Warrior's Navajo Word of the Day. In today's video, we're going to learn how to say, I'm shearing sheep. To say that in Navajo, you say, Dibé Tádíshgéésh. Dibé Tádíshgéésh. Dibé, of course, means sheep. Tádíshgéésh means I'm shearing it. To say you shear the sheep, it would be Dibé Tádíshgéésh. Dibé Tádíshgéésh. To say Robbie is shearing the sheep, you would say Robbie Dibé Tádíshgéésh. Robbie Dibé Tádíshgéésh. Now, Tá'díshgéésh is a transitive verb, meaning you have to pair it with the noun. Dibé. There is an intransitive verb, Tá'díshgéésh. Tá'díshgéésh. And that one, you don't mention the noun. Actually, if you say Dibé Tádíshgéésh, it's grammatically incorrect. And if you notice, there's a glottal stop in there. Tá'díshgéésh. If you wanted to say you shear the sheep, you would say Tá'díshgéésh. Tá'díshgéésh. If you wanted to say come and help us shear sheep, you would say Ade Tá'díshgéésh Diné. Ade Tá'díshgéésh Diné. To say Robbie is shearing the sheep, you would say Robbie Tá'díshgéésh. Robbie Tá'díshgéésh. And if you notice, the second person and third person sound exactly the same. Tá'díshgéésh. The only way you can distinguish them is through context. This is where we get our Navajo word for sheep shears. Be Tá'díshgéésh. Be Tá'díshgéésh. And that is today's Navajo word of the day. Dibé Tádíshgéésh, or Tá'díshgéésh, I'm shearing sheep. Have a nice day. Nijonako ne adoath